Hey, what's really good, y'all? This is your girl Neonnailzzz, and I'm here with a review for Nail Addicts. Yes, Nail Addicts. So right here we got the colors mentioned. Hope it's not going too fast. Alright, so we just gonna jump right into it right here. You have the mini UV lamp. Let me just say this about this mini UV lamp. There are a lot out there that's on the market, and I can honestly say that this one cures black gel polish. I know a lot of us, not just me, a lot of us out there have problems with black gel polish not curing even in the bigger lamps. So A+ for Nail Addicts on this one. Girl, you did that. You did that. This one actually does cure the black nail polish, and you'll see that in the video. So right here we have some instructions. Of course, you have your USB cable and the actual UV lamp. I had a brain for everything. My bad, y'all. So it has a little 2 prongs where you open up at the bottom and you stand it up, and then you put your UV cord in it, and then the customer will just put their hands right underneath it like a normal UV lamp. So yeah, it's all cute and little and stuff. All right, anyway, next up you have me here opening up the box that the actual gel polish and all the products come in. I'm a sucker for package, so I'm not really too fond of the package, but hey, if it gets there safe, it gets there safe. This one is actually very secure, as you see me struggling. Yeah, I was struggling trying to open this box up, but good thing for my X-Acto knife. Yeah, so they have the little shredded pieces of paper, so if you open it the wrong way, everything's just gonna fall out, but it's all good though. So here's the first color. Yeah, oh, it is so pretty. So pretty. And this one is called Not Ashamed. This is a mixture of black and sparkles and everything good, because you know, if you're a nail tech, you love everything shiny. Next color is Black Addict. Yo, this gel polish is a 1 coater. You don't need 2. Next on the docket we have, what is this one? Oh, Kiss Me Now. Oh, I had a brain fart right there. My bad, y'all. That one is so pretty. Perfect. This pink is also pretty. It's called Do Me a Favor. And it's like a pinky, mauve kind of color. And it's kind of like natural nail bed type of color if you're into that. Next up, we have White Addicts. Again, this is a 1 coater. And it doesn't do that little crinkly stuff when you start, you know, putting it on and then put it in the lamp. This is a Army Olive Green. And I've been looking for one of these because the one from D&D was not popping. Surprise! I got a human this time. I am not working on my hand. I got a human being this time. Y'all, being deployed is so hard. Like trying to work in YouTube, trying to work in clients, trying to actually do your job and trying to not get hit. That's a task. That is a task for your ass. Trust me. It's a task. So right here you see me cleaning the nails off. I just took off her clear coat, and the nails are short because this is all we can have. So next time what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some long nails on her and take these ones off, and then we're gonna take the long ones off and put them back on the short ones just for y'all, because she agreed to be my model. Yes indeed. I didn't really feel the need to record any of the other clients because it's the same basic look. So I have that look, she has that look. Everybody that even gets their nails done over here by me, because I'm the only one in this area. I can't tell you where I'm at. Everyone in this area has to have short nails, 1/4 of an inch from the meat of the skin. Anybody that's in the military, you already know the drill. Although some of us do press the buttons sometimes. So right here I'm putting on a base coat before I put on the actual polish. I like to put on a base coat because I feel like it helps the polish stick a little more. You don't really have to with acrylic. I just do that. Also, I'm going to take it right off as soon as I'm done with this video. But for, you know, demonstration purposes, we're going to put on this coat, and then we're going to put on the gel polish. And I'm not even going to talk no more. I'm going to just let y'all see how easy it is to apply. It doesn't crinkle when you put it in the UV lamp. And it doesn't take the shape away from the nail. Whatever shape she had is the shape that she left with. So that's popping.
Perfect.
Alright, y'all, so the first shade I'm using right here is White Addicts. Let me tell you, if you have issues with white being too thick or too thin, or you know, you have to put on multiple coats to actually cover, let me just say, like, look at this. Full coverage, one swipe, couple swipes. But of course I made a mistake and I'm gonna go back and clean it up. So don't come for me. I did not send for you. Don't come for me. Do not come for me. But look, it is immaculate how well it covered up that pink. Like, you can't see anything underneath. And I can't really say that about any other gel polish. If you know of a company, let me know and tell them, send me their product and I will test it, because white and black is one of those colors where sometimes you have to put on multiple coats, and that is what takes away the shape from the nail, period. So this is for y'all that are not experienced in acrylic colors yet, and you still use gel polish. Yes, there are some people that still use gel polish. Don't even look at me like that. There are some people that do use nail polish. My preference is colored acrylic, but if you have a customer that wants to change often, like every single time they come, and they don't want to pay the extra money to get their design, you know, filed off every single time, I would definitely suggest this company as far as gel polish use. Mia's no more running my mouth. I just finished using Black Addicts because I didn't say it. That black one is called Black Addicts. This next color I'm going to use is called Wonderland. And I really feel like we should be able to wear this in uniform because, you know, it matches with what we got on. So I don't see how we out of uniform. But, you know, rules is rules, regulations are regulations. So you know how that goes. But this is also a one coater. It has really good coverage. You cannot see any of the pink peeking through. There's no streaks. There's none of that weird stuff that happens at the bottom of it where like the color separates. So next up we have Do Me a Favor, which is that pretty pink color. I don't know why, I be obsessed with pink. So if you're obsessed with pinks and you have difficulties with other colors, or you don't want to choose any other colors, or whatever the case may be, I would definitely suggest some of these pinks. Do Me a Favor is really pretty. I reviewed 2 of them in my last video, so if you want to know what those colors are and what they look like, go ahead and hop to my next video. I might link it somewhere or down below so you can have it, or you can just go to the channel, see what it looked like. Those are pretty, though. I reviewed 2 of them, so if you want to see them, they're definitely in the playlist. Alright, so we're about to be on the last 2 colors. I didn't show the bottle, but I'm putting the silver glitter over the white, and it's called Kiss Me Now. When I say that this color is freaking pretty, it is freaking pretty, and it will go over anything, not just the white. But I prefer to put glitters over a solid color. That way they, you know, get that little pop, get that little pizzazz, you know what I'm saying? That pop and that pizzazz. That's just how I do it. You can do it however you want to. All I know is that the color is super pretty. And at the end of the video, I do have a design for the long ones, the long nails. So stay tuned for that. This color is the gold one, and it's called Not Ashamed. And I'm definitely not ashamed to use it. It is so freaking pretty. And see how you have 2 coats of polish up there, and the shape of the nail has not changed. Yes, they some shorties, but they have not changed, and I love these colors. So here's the ending result for what I did. See that glitter, and then the 2 solids, bomb up, and there it goes. All right, well, that brings me to the end of the video, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. My coupon code is right there. All right, I'm out.